Alrighty, I accidentally keep going over the time, so I'm going to do this very, very quickly. So, in order to compute a histogram, you're going to. I'm going to do this on the other side. You're going to do graphs, chart builder. You're going to click on histogram. You're going to click on simple histogram. You're going to put this scale variable right here. Day one of download festival. You're going to press OK. And then you're going to get something that looks like this. You may not be able to see it that well, but there's actually an outlier right here. We're going to go ahead and make a box plot. So you're going to press graphs, chart builder, and you're going to do box plot, simple one, and you're going to put the gender down here, and then you're going to put day one down here. You're going to press OK, not exit, and you're going to come up with this. And this shows that the 682nd case is an outlier. So we're going to want to go check the data. Go to case, go to variable, 682. And if you would have actually been here for everything, it would be 2002 is what I would say. So you'd have to go and fix that to be 2.02 because this is on a scale of, I think it was 0 to 3 or 0 to 5. I can't remember. It was one of the two. Yeah. So then you fix that because obviously there was an extra 0 put in. Okay. So then you're going to redo the box plot and it's basically going to change to this. And you're going to do it for day 1, day 2, day 3. And then you're going to redo the histogram. And notice how the histogram is no longer weird looking. It's like a normal curve. And then you'll do day 1, day 2, day 3. Okay. And then for the statistics. So you're going to, if I remember correctly, it's analyze. I still get confused. Yeah. Analyze descriptive statistics, frequencies. You're gonna basically take these three. They're originally over here, so you're basically gonna go like this and this, but for these three variables. I'm gonna go to statistics. You're gonna do mean, median, mode. You're gonna do skewness and kurtosis. You're gonna do standard deviation, variance, range, minimum, maximum, SE mean, and make sure you have quartiles. And you're going to press continue and go to charts and do histograms, show normal curve of histogram. Press continue. And then you're going to press OK. And bada bing, bada boom, bada bam. Here's this. Well, hold on. It's basically going to put all this beautiful information and stuff out for you to just like look at and just be amazed by. So there's quite a few different tests that is also here. I'm not going to go over it too much. But I have done like, I'm not sure if I saved it, but I have a vodka test and the Levine test in here mixed up in this output stuff. And I'm not going to show that I know how to read this. Well, what's that part of? Anyways, so basically, stem and leaf plots are awesome. And I think they deserve a lot more usage. But anyhow, so next, for the next part of the assignment, we are going to make transform variables. So we have log, square root, and reciprocal. So you're going to do transform, compute, and for the log, you're basically going to type in log day 1. This is going to be empty. You're going to do arithmetic. You're going to do log chan. You're going to throw this up there. This isn't going to be there. For this, you're going to do hygiene 1, bump it over here, press OK, and you're going to do that for all 3, and then it's going to create these variables. Now, whenever you go to do square root, it's basically the same as log. You're going to throw it up here, and then you're going to throw this over there, and that's how you would do square root. Now, for reciprocal, because of the way our data is set up, there's some values that are less than 1. So whenever you divide by something that's less than 1, it comes out weird. Like you can't divide something by 0. It doesn't make sense. So you have to do 1 divided by, and, what's the words? I think it's REC. Let me just see. This is what cost me most of my time last time looking at it because I forgot by the time I got here. Oh yes. So then it'd be day 1 plus 1, basically. Oops, plus 1, and yeah. So you do that, and you press OK, and then it will come up with this. Oops. It'll come up with this right here. These things right here. And that's how you would transform the variables. And yeah, that's how everything works.